In this video, I'll guide you through how to search flights by airline on Google Flights. If you like flying with a specific carrier or you're trying to earn miles with a certain frequent flyer program, being able to quickly filter by airline can save you a lot of time and frustration. We'll go from the basic search all the way to viewing only the flights you actually care about. First, you'll want to open Google Flights in your web browser. You can do this by searching for Google Flights in a search engine or by going directly to the Google Flights page if you've bookmarked it. Once you're there, you'll see the main search interface. At the top, you'll usually find fields where you can enter your departure city, your destination, your travel dates, and the number of passengers. Make sure you set those up first, just like you would for any normal flight search. Type in your departure city or airport, then your destination. Choose whether you're booking a one-way, round trip, or multi-city journey, and then pick your departure and return dates from the calendar. If you want, you can also set the number of travelers and the cabin class, such as economy or business. When everything looks correct, start the search so Google Flights can show you the available options. After a moment, you'll see a list of flights that match your basic criteria. This is where the airline filtering comes in. Above or alongside the list of flights, you'll notice a row of filters. These usually include things like stops, price, times, and a filter for airlines. Look for the option labeled Airlines and click on it to open the airline filter panel. When the airlines filter opens, you'll see a list of carriers that operate on the route and dates you selected. The list may include major international airlines as well as regional carriers depending on where you're flying. By default, all airlines might be selected, meaning you're seeing every option. To narrow this down, you'll choose only the airlines you want to see. Now, select your preferred airline or airlines from the list. If you have a favorite carrier, simply click on its name to highlight or check it. You can choose just one airline if you're loyal to a single brand, or select a few if you're flexible among a small group. As you make your selections, Google Flights will automatically update the search behind the scenes so that only flights operated by those chosen airlines will remain. Once you've picked your preferred airline, close the filter panel if needed and look back at the flight results. You'll now see a filtered list that shows only flights from the airline or airlines you selected. This makes it much easier to compare departure times, durations, prices, and layovers without having to scroll through carriers you aren't interested in. From here, you can click on any individual flight to see more details, such as the aircraft type, specific layover airports, and fare options. If one of the options looks good, you can proceed with booking directly through the links that Google Flights provides. And that's it. By starting with a normal search, opening the airlines filter, choosing your preferred carrier, and then reviewing the updated results, you can quickly search flights by airline on Google Flights and focus only on the options that work best for you.